Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about nested list or inner list. The process of defining one list inside of another list is known as nested or inner lists. So, the process of defining one list inside another list is known as nested or inner lists. Let's see the syntax here. List object is, so list object is equals to, this is outer list and which is known as first inner list, and this is the second inner list. See here, v1 v2 and up to vn are the outer list elements. So v11 v12 v1n, these are one of the inner list elements. v21 v22 v2n, so these are the elements of another inner list. So see here v1 v2 up to vn are outer list elements. v11 v12 up to v1n called one inner list elements, and v21 v22 and v2n are one another inner list elements. On the inner list concept, we can perform both indexing and slicing operations. So we can retrieve the values based on indexing and slicing operations in inner list concepts. So we can also apply all predefined functions of list. So in list we have 12 predefined functions. So that 12 predefined functions we can apply on inner list also. So let's see this all in practical way. Now I'm opening Python command prompt. See here. So this is an outer list. So this is an outer list. This is one inner list and this is another inner list. So like this we can declare n number of inner list. So this is the concept of inner list. Now I'm going to print lst comma type of lst. See here, this is our lst value and which comes under list, right? So in order to see list in list, I'm going to use one simple for loop. So with the help of this for loop, you can easily understand how list in list is applicable. See here. So this is an element in the above list which comes under int class. This element is in list, right? So this element is also comes under int class, but this element in list. See like that, this is one element which comes under list class and this element present in list. So these two lines specifies that we have declared list in list. See here, list inside a list. In this inner list, we can perform both indexing and slicing operations, right? So let's see this will work or not. So this is our list. Now I'm going to give an index value called 3. Let's see what it happens. So it has retrieved the list. Inner list it has retrieved. Why? Because see here, 1 has index 0, 2 has index 1, 3 has index 2. So this all consider under one element only. So the index of this element comes under 3, right? So LST of 3 will gives that element, that entire element. So I take this as 4. See, the second list is going to be print, right? With help of indexing, we can retrieve the elements in inner list also. So in inner list, we can retrieve the elements by using indexing. So let's see by using slicing. See here, see the elements from 0 to 4 minus 1 is a 3. Third index is up to this only. From 0 to the third index value has been printed, right? So slicing and indexing can also done in inner list also. So let's see the memory management of inner list. This one element index has 0. This inner list element index as 1. So this list element index as 2. So these element has index 3. These element has index 4. This is an index for what list, right? So this is minus 5, negative indexing, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, right? So inside this list, we have again indexing. See here, for this list, 0, 1, 2 are the indexes of this list. For this inner list, the indexes are 0, 1, 2. So in negative direction, see here same -3, -2, -1. So if we consider here also same -3, -2, -1. So the memory management of inner list is like this. See here. So in order to retrieve the element called 2, I am going to give like this. See here index by using index one index inside the one index I want to print and the value which present in this index one index, so the answer is going to retrieve as 2. Let's see this is right or wrong. So lst list obj of 1 and 1. So let's see what it will be written. So 2 has been retrieved from that, right? So in order to access an element called 7 from the above inner list, so list object lst of, so this index value is known as 2. So next seventh value which present in index called 2. So 2 of 2. If we do this, then we get the value called 7. So let's see that 2 and here also 2. See 7 has been retrieved, right? So like this we can do. So inner list memory management is more important. If we understand this memory management, then we can easily do this slicing and indexing on inner lists, right? So not only slicing and indexing, we can apply all predefined functions of list, right? So see here, this is my LST, right? So this is my inner list, right? Now I'm going to use append function to these inner list elements. See here. So LST of 1 will refers to these inner list, right? Now I'm going to add an element to that inner list. See, append of, I want to add an str data called SAR. I want to add an str data called SAR. See here, I'm going to access LST. See here, SAR has been appended to the inner list or not? Yes, it has appended. So now I want to add an element at index 2. Index 2 stands for this inner list, right? So at this inner list, I want to add 67 element at first index on LST of second index. LST of second index refers to this inner list. Inside this inner list, this is a 0th index and this is first index, right? At this first index, 67 has been inserted and this 6 and 7 has been shifted to right side. Let's see what it is. So now I'm going to access LST. See here, 67 has added at first index position and this 6 and 7 has been shifted to right side, right? Now I'm going to remove the value called 67 from this inner list. See here. So now I'm going to access LST. The 67 has been removed, right? So in order to retrieve the index of this value, I can use index of a function, right? So the index of this sixth value is 1, right? So I can do this inner list reverse. See here by using reverse of function. Now I'm trying to access LST. See here. Before reversing the inner list is like this. After reversing the inner list is changed, right? 1 dot copy of. So see here LST1 has inner list has been copied into LST1. I'm trying to retrieve the LST. See here LST is as it is. I have copied the inner list of this LST into LST1, right? So I can use copy of, I can use reverse of, or I can use extend of also. See here. See here, what I did in the sense, LST of index 1 is this, right? LST of index 1 is this value and LST of index 2 is this value. So I'm going to use extend function in order to merge this LST of 2 index into LST of 1 index. See here, I'm going to access LST 1. So this is our LST of first index. So by using this extend of this second index values are merged with this first index, and this second index is the same, right? So along the same, what the extend function will do, extend function will merge the two lists, right? So in total, we have 12 predefined functions. That are 12 predefined functions we can use in inner list also. So apart from these predefined functions, see here by using this inner list, we can also print the matrices. See here, I have declared three inner lists. See here, in order to print 3 by 3 matrix. Now, by using this for loop, I'm going to print this matrix for val in mat. I'm going to print the val. See here, the matrix has printed, right? So this is first row and this is second row, this is third row. By using this inner list, we can print this 2D matrix and we can print a 3D matrix also. So let's see how to print this 3D matrix. I'm using mat 3D. So this is one outer list, this is one inner list, inner list, inner list. So this is an outer list, inner list, inner list, inner list. But we have these also. So if we do this all comes under 3D matrix. See here. So see here, this is the outer list. So this is one matrix and this is another matrix. So first inner list, second inner list, third inner list, first inner list, second inner list, third inner list. So this is matrix 1 and this is matrix 2. So let's see this, how it going to be retrieved. By using for loop for val in mat 3D, I'm going to print the val. See here, print the val. See, it has retrieved like this, right? So for that, we have to use two for loops. See here, this is one for loop and I'm using another for loop for, so for x in this val, for x in val, I'm going to print the x. See here. So let's see this output. And apart from these, see here, by using two for loops and two new variables, by using this mat 3D list, I'm going to print the matrix in this format. See here, the two matrices are printed or not. So by using the nested list and inner lists, we can print 2D matrices. We can print 3D matrices also. So this is all about a nested list or inner list. So this is the last episode on list data type. By this episode, we have completed the list data type. So in upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about tuple data type. This tuple data types also comes under list category data type. So by this episode, the list data type has been successfully completed with in detailed information. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.